How to log into gatecity.bank online banking account. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First, open up any web browser you want and search for gatecity.bank and press enter. On this web page, click on the login button. Then over here, you can enter your user ID. Then enter your password and then click on the go button. Then you will be logged into your account. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on this link. Once you click on this link, it's going to redirect you to this page where you have to enter your user ID. Now enter your first name, then enter your last name and click on the submit button. Then you will be able to reset your password. In case you have forgotten your user ID, you have the option to recover that as well. Simply click on this link that says forgot user ID. Then that's going to redirect you to another page, and here you have to enter your first name, then enter your last name. Now type in your email address. After that, you will have to enter your social security number, then enter your account number and select your account type. Then click on the submit button and you will be able to retrieve your user ID. And that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.